Excuse me. You speak Korean? Do you?
No, we only speak English.
No,
Oh,
we speak
yeah.
English.
Are you Korean?
Yeah, 그런데 저는 한국 사람이에요.
Oh.
Yeah, Korean,
Oh.
Korean.
How long have you been in the Philippines?
3 years here?
Oh, 3 years.
Oh, yeah.
3 years. It's been long na pala yun. Tagal na.
Yeah,
It's been long years.
yeah, 학생이에요. You student?
Yes,
Student?
at FEU.
FEU.
College, yes.
College.
College.
We're second years.
Oh, second. What program?
Nursing.
Nursing. Yeah,
Yes,
we're all from nursing.
Oh, yeah.
Except for
Except for him at the middle. He's on
Mathematics.
mathematics major.
Oh, really?
Yes.
1 plus 1.